Hello viewers, this is Arnob Arpon and from today we have started a new series called Robotics Programming, and today is the first video. So in this video we will see the basics of Arduino board and how Arduino works and the pin diagram of Arduino pin. So let's get started without any delay. So hello, this is Arduino logo and this is a Arduino board. Here, this is the main microcontroller of this board, and there are some digital and analog pins which are used to connect sensors and power to Arduino board. And first we say what is Arduino? And Arduino is a platform, is an open source software which is used to make robotics programming and to develop any project with Arduino software and the hardwares you use. So there are many kinds of Arduino boards, some called Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno, Arduino Mini, Arduino Nano, Arduino Puro Mini, and many of the world use Arduino Uno. Hence, the Uno is the most popular using board of Arduino. So here's the pin diagram of Arduino. Here we can see this is a USB female type A port. It's used to connect a USB with your computer and Arduino. Here is a crystal oscillator. It's the main some called processor types on this Arduino board. Its frequency varies on board to board. Generally on Arduino we know there is 16 megahertz, and the 16 megahertz is the clock speed of this Arduino board, which is in this crystal oscillator. Then it is a voltage stabilizer or voltage regulator called. It is a 5-volt voltage regulator, which means if you power the Arduino with 5 volt or more, the all sensor will get 5 volt using this voltage regulator. Here is a DC power adapter female port. You can use this to power the Arduino. It supports up to 12 volt. There is two capacitor, and now here is a button called reset button. If you press this button, the code of Arduino will restart from the beginning. Here is some Arab and ICSP pins, and there's two LED indicator. One is green, which means Arduino is powered on, and here is the six analog pins which are used to get analog numbers from the sensors. Here is a VIN port, and if you want to power the Arduino, you need to power it using this VIN port. Here's two ground pins. One is can be used for power to Arduino, and another can be used as the sensor. Here is a 5 volt pin. It will give you 5 volt. Here's a 3.3 volt pin. If your sensor needs 3.3 volts, you can use it. Here's a reset. You can add another reset button from here. Here's some digital IO pins. It can use as input as well as output. Here 14 digital pins. One, you should remember that the 0 and the 1 pin are used for TX and RX. TX and RX means the are used to input or output the number you get from the sensor. Here's the TX and RX indicator, and here is a LED which is connected with the digital pin 13, and it's a built-in LED for the Arduino board. Here's another GND with ground port, and almost is the pin diagram of Arduino board. Here you can see it broadens here. You can see the fully, and is the Arduino cable which is used to connect the Arduino with your laptop. Here is a type A which is used to connect with the PC and is used to the Arduino. So here's the Arduino board. introduction and is complete. I think now you can know what are the pins of Arduino and what are the materials of Arduino here. If you have a problem or any question, you can comment me below and tell me how the video was. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel for getting this kind of videos in future. Thank you guys.